Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you, just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Cancer, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Cancer, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. Nine of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, the Magician, Judgment, Queen of Swords, Two of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, the Empress, and the Eight of Cups. Okay, bottom of my deck, I have the overall energy is the Knight of Pentacles. So either you're looking for a stable offer because maybe something has really kind of stagnated in the connection probably that you're already in. I do see a Queen of Swords, center of my spread, who's kind of now got their wits about them. They're not going to be taken for a ride any longer. Let's see. Okay, so what I'm going to do, Cancer, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards and see if you guys had to say something to each other, what that would be. Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person. They could say something to each other, Spirit. Okay. I'm going to take a few more from here, Cancer. Cancer and their person. Oops. Cancer and their person. One fell off the table. I'm not going to pick that one up. Okay. And a couple more from here. Cancer and their person. All right. Good to go. The first card here, Cancer, says, enough of divine timing already. You want to be with me and I want to be with you. Why can't we get our shit together now? Maybe this is the Queen of Swords asking that question. Why can't you make a decision? Why are you always indecisive? Right? Second card says, aren't you tired of overthinking and being so hard on yourself? You can deliver yourself out of this pain, fear, and frustration, and you'll see what I've seen in you all along. I get so annoyed with your constant need to control everything. Magician in reverse, right? I get so annoyed with your constant need to control everything and denial of your triggers. If I upset you, I want you to be honest with me, but you use silence as manipulation to gain control. We should be able to talk it out like grown-ups. Your indifference could be the difference as to whether I continue to invest in you or our relationship anymore. My family doesn't understand our connection. I've told them how I feel about you and tried to explain it, but they have particular ideals and don't understand our spiritual love. I wish that you were here or I was there. I wish that we were together anywhere. I dream that I'll wake up to you, but when I wake up, you're not here. I feel heartbroken every morning. I want you here in bed with me so that your face is the first thing that I see each day. And the last two cards, Cancer says, don't let the past dictate the future. I didn't have the courage to tell you. Okay, Cancer, I do see some kind of a return here. Let's see what this is all about. Before I clarify these cards, Cancer, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. See how my angels are going to bless this reading, and then we'll move on from there, okay? Blessing, message, advice, or... Okay, it's here already. My angels give you the card of faith. Sometimes it's hard, right, Cancer? Especially when you don't see the other person maybe being a magician, playing tricks, or giving false hope. It's very difficult to keep the faith. But I do see somebody who has their wits about them, and yes, using their intelligence as well as their heart now. So keep the faith. I'm sure things will be fine, whatever you decide. Let's put this card here. Nine of Wands, Spirit. What's this Nine of Wands? And Cancer, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Okay, so Cancer, this seemed like such a beautiful connection, didn't it? Two of Cups, we are meant to be together. This seemed like a soulmate connection. My forever person. We've known each other for lifetimes. But right now, I see somebody's holding back. They're holding back, they're guarding their energy, holding back, almost ready to kind of drop this connection here, Cancer. This could be you, could be your cross-watcher. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. One more, Ace of Pentacles. Now somebody is upset and angry with their partner here, because too much delay has happened in this connection. Maybe somebody was very prideful or egoistic or whatever happened here, but too much of delay has happened to have this brand new beginning. I think somebody is kind of coming to that conclusion that I don't think this can really work out. I'm tired of the competition. I'm tired of the fighting. I think I want to kind of drop this burden now altogether. I wasted too much time here. And I might as well start something new somewhere else and have victory in my own life, instead of dealing with the magician in reverse, who's normally called the trickster, right? So yeah, somebody is losing hope in this connection, losing faith. A lot of depression, a lot of sadness because of the delay that's happened in this connection, I feel. Magician in reverse, Spirit. Magician in reverse. And somebody's been keeping their partner hanging. Death in reverse, right? With the King of Wands in reverse and the King of Cups in reverse. Now, I feel here somebody was being very emotionally manipulative, trying to string along their partner, not ending it, not changing anything, but keeping them hooked. Being emotionally distant, okay, and being a bit selfish and self-centered as well. This person was just being a trickster. At least that's how their person feels, that this person was only tricking me, right? They only kept me hanging without giving me anything, and just kept me in one place for their own selfish needs. So I do see somebody now wanting a rebirth of their life. Yes, because things have really stagnated and somebody is not happy emotionally at all. So what's this Two of Pentacles, Spirit? As much as somebody is now wanting this new beginning elsewhere, I think they're still kind of at crossroads, still kind of going back and forth in their mind, still trying to get some clarity. Their suspicions are aroused now. They basically don't trust their partner that much because too much of time has gone by. This, I think, Queen of Swords is losing her patience over somebody who's indecisive, who just will not, take the blindfold off their eyes, is never making a decision, never making a choice, and maybe pulled in two different directions. Sometimes they want this connection, sometimes they don't want this connection. So this Queen of Swords is kind of now losing hope, is feeling there is no balance in this connection, there is no forward movement here, and too much of delay is happening in somebody making this choice. I think some secrets are out now, and it's led somebody to feel very, very left out and sad, and feeling there is no growth, there is no promise of being stable. The Empress in reverse basically means there is no growth, there's no abundance, there's no forward movement, and barely any conversation either, or not of the correct kind. No hope for a brand new beginning. But then, what's this Empress, Spirit in reverse? Yes, see, there's been a stagnancy where commitment is concerned. Somebody is feeling there's too much of stagnancy where commitment or long-term potential is supposed to be. But then there is this Eight of Cups. What's that, Spirit? Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups. One more. Eight of Cups. Who's this Eight of Cups, Spirit? Oh. All right. The minute the Empress decides, I don't want this anymore, I think somebody wants to return back now. They suddenly realized, oh my God, but I love this person so much. All my game playing and whatever I've done has backfired on me because I'm losing my Empress now. They energetically may be feeling that this Empress is now drained out, no more wanting to give them love or attention. Now this person is wanting to revive this connection. Now they've realized, what have I done? There's a lot of regret and sorrow for the way things have gone down. And yes, Cancer, the person who was playing the magician now may be wanting a return of this connection, maybe wanting a rebirth of this connection, may want to now end the toxicity from this connection now, but only after this Empress, I think, takes their power back and says, hey, no more. I don't want to be with you anymore. Yes, too much unhappiness has happened, too many bad memories have been created in this connection, and I cannot deal with any more sleepless nights. I can't deal with, stressing out all the time. You are a magician in reverse. You're a trickster. So is this person coming back in good faith, Spirit, or are they still coming back as a magician to manipulate this Empress more? One more card, Spirit. I don't know, Cancer. Basically, this person is feeling now devastated that, their Empress is leaving now. They do know who their right choice is, but I still don't think they have the courage to speak their truth or take things forward or even offer a commitment. So use your discernment. Maybe it's wise to kind of halt things a little bit for the time being, because this person is still coming out in their their King of Cups in reverse energy. This is an emotional manipulator. May try and stall you, stop you from moving ahead, will request you to come back and maybe cry a few tears, but are they willing to invest, or are they going to waste your time a little more? This person just likes to have control. Okay, so be a little mindful and have faith in yourself. Whatever your intuition is saying, of course, this is a collective reading. Some of you, maybe your partner is being genuine, but in most cases, I do see somebody who's trying to be a trickster once again by trying to lure you back because they're going to miss that energy that you used to give them. Vice versa, okay? You could be the other side, Cancer. I don't know. So that's all I have for you, Cancer. Hope it helps. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.